Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we will talk about Galileo. So Galileo, he was born on 15th February 1564 in Italy. Galileo was one of the greatest scientists. He was specialized in astronomy and physics. He has also been called the father of modern physics, astronomy and science. His work included studying speed, gravity, relativity, inertia, and his contributions to astronomy include observing Jupiter's four moons and the rings of Saturn. His backing of Copernicus' theory that the earth revolved around the sun would bring him in direct conflict with the church at the time. Early in 1616, Galileo was accused of being a heretic, a person who opposed church teachings. Heresy was a crime for which people were sometimes sentenced to death. Galileo was declared of charges of heresy but was told that he should no longer publicly state his belief that earth moved around the sun. So this was all about Galileo. It was a very short and brief information about him. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.